When you design a t-shirt or garment, creating the artwork is only the first step. I'm Steven Overturf, and today we're gonna be in Adobe Illustrator building a print-ready tech pack that outlines sizing and everything your printer needs for an accurate result. Let's get started. We'll start with our finished artwork. For this artboard, I'm gonna go 16 by 20 inches tall and make sure your color mode is on CMYK. Next, we're gonna create our guides. The first one is gonna be my center line. Next one, my neckline. So I'm gonna create a circle and then pull it up, create a couple more anchors and delete that top part of that circle. Then I'm gonna select both of those, go to View, Guides, Make Guides. This will come in handy for our printer as they know where to place things. And for now, I'm going to lock those guides. Next, I'm gonna create my top information that lays out everything for the shirt. First, my garment name, make sure that's large. Then I'm gonna make a small text box that has our art file number on it, and then placement of the art. Next, I'm going to make a copy of that. This will be a note to the printer. Then I'm gonna make another copy, change that text to the garment information, colors, and then Pantone. Then we're gonna create a line. Next, we're gonna create a few crosshairs. This helps our printer align all of our colors when we're using multicolors. Copy, paste that in place, rotate it, group it, bring that up, make a copy there, make two more down at the bottom, and you can even have one that's at the center of your artboard. We're going to bring in one of our artworks. So go back to your other file, make a copy, and then you're gonna hit paste. So this will be the front of my shirt. This will be front left chest. For our color, it's going to be red. 185C will be our Pantone color. We're going to select it and then make sure that it's the same red as our artwork. Then we're going to come over here to our properties panel and we're going to resize that logo to what we want for print. For this one, I'm going to go 3.5 inches. So now that the front is done, we can repeat that same process for the back of the shirt. So I'm going to hit Shift-O, create a new artboard. I'm going to copy all of that and then paste onto my other artboard. Let's make sure that we have a center line, View, Guides, Make Guides. Then we'll go back to our artwork. We're going to copy that, paste, make sure that is centered on our artboard, and then we're going to change the sizing to 12 inches wide. We'll come back up to our information up here, change this to back, full, center, and then we'll change our colors. And just like the front, we're going to use our R-Dropper tool to change our colors in our information bar to the colors of the art. So there we go. Overturf Design Studio and initials. We're going to copy that, paste it to the back. For our last step, we're going to create a new artboard, copy that same information that we have at the top, paste it over, and then we're going to bring in two PNG files of the shirt that we're actually printing on. We want to get a good layout here of the shirts, get a good solid color background. And since these are linked files, I'm going to go ahead and embed them. So my printer has no issues when receiving these files. I'm going to copy and paste our artwork and change the size relatively of how I want it to look. So for my front, that logo, front left chest. For the back, my state champions banner on the back center of the shirt. And there we go. I think we're ready to export. We're gonna make sure all of our text is converted to outlines. So we're gonna go ahead and select all of our artwork, go up here to type, and then create outlines. Now all of our text is outlines, so once we deliver it to our printer, they won't have any font issue. You can also do this with strokes or any sort of things that may change. By doing that, you would go to Object, Expand Appearance, and do that until everything is just a solid fill. Next, we're gonna go to File, Save As. We're gonna change our format to Illustrator EPS. This way, if the printer uses a different software to print, that EPS file should be ready to go. Hit Save, hit OK, and then we're gonna save it one more time as a PDF. That way, if our EPS file or Illustrator file somehow doesn't work, a PDF should do. And hit Save PDF. And there we have it. Our front, our back, and our mock-up. Excited to get this over to your printer and get it in the mail, ready to wear. This workflow ensures your screen printer has everything they need for an accurate production. Clean and organized tech packs prevent errors and help your artwork print exactly as intended. If you enjoyed this breakdown, like this video, subscribe, and stick around for more instructional design content.